Pendulums are great tools to use when you want to get a quick yes or no answer to a question, but they can also be used for healing. In this video, I'll teach you a quick and easy way to help you do so. I'm George Lizos, and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I've used pendulums to clear low-level spirits from houses, to remove psychic attack from my clients, even to heal mild physical conditions such as stomach pain and sore throat. Pendulums are powerful healing tools, and when used consciously, they can be your main spiritual tool for healing. While clearing a client from psychic attack one day, I could sense a low-level spirit being attached to her aura and siphoning away her life force energy. She admitted that she was constantly feeling tired and fatigued, no matter how many hours of sleep she got every night. I knew that the low-level entity was responsible for it, and I decided to use a crystal pendulum to release it. While psychically tuning into her aura, I swung the pendulum slowly at first and gradually faster, creating an energetic cyclone that dispelled the spirit and freed my client from its control. She instantly felt a weight lifting, and she later reported that her energy levels had increased significantly. In this video, I'll guide you through the same technique that I used in my psychic clearing session, so you can also use pendulums for healing. A pendulum is simply a weight suspended from a string. Spiritually, pendulums are used for dowsing water, metals, people, items, or substances. They can also be used to identify and clear negative energy, low-level spirits, and geopathic stress from physical spaces. For divination, to get quick yes or no answers to binary questions, but also to heal emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual ailments. Today, we'll focus on the latter. Pendulums are made from a variety of materials, including crystals, wood, glass, and metals. For the purpose of healing, the best pendulums to use are the ones made out of wood or crystals. Wooden pendulums are probably ideal because wood doesn't tend to absorb too much energy from the surrounding environment. But I personally prefer crystal pendulums because of their ability to absorb energy from people and space. Due to their delicate structure, pendulums are very sensitive to energy, and when combined with your personal intention and intuition, you can direct them to both identify and dispel negative vibration. In this video, I'll teach you a basic process to identify and clear stuck energy from you or from someone else's energy body. Before you start using a pendulum for healing, you first have to cleanse it by either running it under water or smudging it with incense or herbs. Doing so clears the foreign energies that it may have absorbed, so it can be used objectively for healing. After your pendulum is energetically cleansed, you're ready to begin with the following process. Firstly, program the pendulum's movements. Wrap one end of the string between your thumb and index fingers and literally tell the pendulum what each type of movement signifies. For the purpose of this exercise, the only programming we'll instill in your pendulum is that the stronger the swing, the more unbalanced or stuck the energy is. A strong and violent swing means there's something that needs to be cleared in the body, while stillness or gentle swings mean that the energy is balanced. Once you've mentally or verbally explained this to your pendulum, you can move on to the second step. The second step has to do with slowly running the pendulum over or around your client's body, depending on whether they're lying down or just standing up. And consciously holding your intention that the pendulum shows you where the energy is stuck. And you'll notice that the pendulum swings in different speeds and in a different intensity as you do that. And when you've identified a stuck area, you can move on to step number 3. In the third step, you hold the pendulum in front or over the stuck body area while holding the intention that the pendulum breaks through this stuckness, that it releases the negativity and restores the balance. And as you hold the swinging pendulum there, you'll notice it gradually calming down as the energy is being released. So go ahead and do this with all the blocked areas. And after you've scanned the whole body and cleared what you could, you can then end the process with step number 4. That is giving thanks to your pendulum by holding it close to your heart and then cleansing from any energy it will have absorbed during the healing session. There you have it. You can use this simple pendulum process to create healing for you and for others. Tell me, do you have any other ways of using a pendulum for healing? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know all about it. If you have any questions about the process I've just explained, just also pop them in the comments and I'm happy to support you. And if you'd like to take this a step further to properly develop your psychic abilities, check out my online workshop that teaches you exactly how to do so. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. You can also come and join me in your Spiritual Toolkit Facebook group, my online community of lightworkers. It is filled with processes, with trainings and guidance to guide you on your path. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're a step closer to developing your pendulum healing abilities. Before you go, be sure to check out the psychic development workshop I mentioned earlier. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.